Welcome to US Car Review. The vehicle depicted in the image represents a groundbreaking fusion of futuristic engineering, luxury architecture, and bold automotive imagination, standing not merely as a mode of transportation but as an entire environment on wheels, a mobile kingdom designed for those who view travel not as a transition between 2 points but as an immersive experience in itself, and the very first impression it gives is one of sheer scale, almost surreal in its double-decker form, its sleek white surfaces, and its elongated body that stretches across the showroom floor like a land-bound yacht crafted out of cutting-edge materials and avant-garde concepts, blending the aesthetics of a hypercar, a luxury bus, and a modern architectural suite. From the front, the massive windscreen curves like the visor of a high-tech helmet, giving the entire face of the machine an intense, aerodynamic expression, as though even at a standstill it is prepared to slice through the air with silent authority. The smooth contours flow seamlessly from one panel to the next, and the panels themselves possess a glossy sheen that reflects the showroom lights like a mirror-polished sculpture, while the soft ambient LED strips highlight the silhouette with a futuristic glow. The multi-level glass sections circling the upper deck resemble the panoramic lounges of exclusive penthouse suites, inviting the imagination to picture lavish seating, entertainment systems, lounge areas, private compartments, or even onboard conference rooms, features that no ordinary road vehicle would dare to offer. The bold branding emblazoned along the side of the upper deck, Ferrari, paired with the iconic shield-style emblem, gives the impression of a concept machine proposed by a legendary performance marque attempting to break into a new dimension of mobility, though the spelling and style hint at an artistic reinterpretation rather than an official model, making the entire concept feel like a bold experiment in design freedom rather than a production vehicle restricted by traditional engineering limitations. The wheels, low profile and wrapped in aerodynamic fairings, appear engineered to support immense weight while still offering stability at high speeds, suggesting that this behemoth, despite its size, is not meant to crawl but to glide with the commanding smoothness of a bullet train. The lower body's deep grooves, sculpted edges, and darkened window elements create a contrast that breaks the visual mass and gives the entire structure a floating, streamlined appearance, almost like a sci-fi cruiser designed for intercity travel in a near-future metropolis. Observing the overall structure, one senses that the creators intended to craft an icon of extravagance, a moving monument that challenges the boundaries of what a road vehicle can be, blending the intimacy of a luxury residence with the functionality of a super-advanced transport module. The level of detail visible in the glass curvature, the seamless integration of lighting, and the flawless body panels suggests a design process driven by computational modeling and advanced fabrication techniques, far beyond traditional automotive craftsmanship, possibly involving modular construction, climate-controlled interiors, smart glass technology, and AI-assisted navigation systems. The placement within a high-end showroom environment, alongside standard luxury cars, further amplifies its presence, dwarfing everything around it and making even premium sedans appear modest. The lighting of the showroom reflects across its expansive surfaces, emphasizing every curve and architectural angle, creating a visual harmony between the futuristic vehicle and the modern interior of the display space. Considering how the vehicle towers above human scale, one can imagine an interior layout that would rival private jets or compact luxury apartments, potentially containing bedrooms, a kitchenette, reclining lounge areas, workspaces, automated mood lighting, climate zoning, and noise-canceling materials designed to create a cocoon of comfort during travel. The sleek black strip running across the midsection, housing large tinted windows, hints at an airy, open interior filled with natural light during the day and offering privacy at night. The upper deck, with its 360-degree wraparound glass, likely provides unbeatable panoramic views, similar to observation decks on yachts or luxury trains. The entire structure rests on multiple axles, each seemingly equipped with independent suspension systems capable of managing the substantial load and ensuring stability on highways. The front faces deeply sculpted features, including the aggressive angles around the headlights and the sharp lines tapering toward the lower bumper, show a clear attempt to combine the sporty DNA of performance vehicles with the grand scale of a transport titan. Despite its monumental size, the designers have successfully retained a sense of speed and movement in its form, as if it were poised to launch into motion at any moment. The absence of visible door handles, vents, or mechanical interruptions suggests a fully automated, sensor-based access system, while also emphasizing a clean, uninterrupted aesthetic. The glossy black accents, forming a continuous visual band across the midsection, balance the bright white body and prevent the design from feeling overly monolithic. One can imagine advanced safety systems embedded seamlessly within the structure: lidar, radar arrays, high-resolution cameras, and real-time environmental scanning, making the machine not only luxurious but extraordinarily safe. The use of expansive glass and clean white surfaces hints at a minimalist interior style, possibly inspired by modern architecture and Scandinavian design philosophies, prioritizing open space, clean lines, and premium materials. The sheer height of the vehicle implies that it might include staircases or even compact lifts inside, transforming it into a multi-story mobile residence unlike anything that currently exists on the road. Its presence is so commanding that it redefines the visual expectations of what luxury transportation could look like, leaving a lasting imprint on the viewer's imagination. It is the kind of concept that could serve celebrities, high-profile executives, touring performers, or digital nomads who want a self-contained world while traveling across continents. The aerodynamic shaping of the roofline and the slanted glass surfaces suggest a deliberate effort to reduce drag despite the large size, hinting that efficiency and performance were not compromised in pursuit of comfort. The aerodynamic rims and the low overall stance give the impression that this massive structure is engineered to remain remarkably stable at speed, reducing wind resistance and enhancing ride quality. The glossy surfaces reflect the surrounding lights in such a fluid manner that the vehicle seems almost liquid, as though sculpted from a single continuous block of hypermodern material. The bold logo placement gives it an unmistakable identity, making it instantly recognizable from any angle. Even the lower portion of the body, though more functional in purpose, exhibits a refined sculptural quality that complements the upper structure. The way the glass wraps around the corners of the upper deck evokes the look of luxury yachts, signaling that this machine draws inspiration not only from automotive design but also from maritime and aerospace aesthetics. The Futuristic nose of the vehicle, with its exaggerated slopes and smooth transitions, suggests advanced air channeling techniques intended to improve airflow management and cooling without relying on traditional grille designs. The entire vehicle seems to blur the boundary between vehicle and architecture, functioning as a mobile building as much as a mode of transport. Inside, one can imagine an atmosphere of serene opulence: soft carpets, adjustable LED lighting, interactive displays, smart control panels, reclining leather seating, and panoramic lounges that transform long journeys into indulgent retreats. The tinted windows ensure privacy while maintaining visibility, creating a sense of exclusivity. The overall design suggests an electric or hybrid propulsion system hidden within the floor, utilizing a massive battery pack or advanced energy storage technology capable of powering both the movement and the onboard amenities. Its sheer weight would require an incredibly strong chassis, possibly built from composite materials, reinforced aluminum, or carbon fiber structural elements, ensuring both rigidity and safety. The attention to detail visible even from outside hints at an interior that would be meticulously crafted, catering to the highest standards. The presence of multiple axles at the rear further reinforces the likelihood of world-class suspension comfort, minimizing vibrations and enhancing the sense of gliding over the road rather than driving on it. Every surface, every corner, and every design decision appears deliberate, combining aesthetics, practicality, and innovation into a unified whole. The vehicle stands as a testament to what is possible when design is not constrained by ordinary limitations. It inspires awe, curiosity, and a sense of wonder, pushing the imagination to envision how future travel might evolve when comfort, luxury, and advanced technology converge at the highest level. Whether viewed as a concept vehicle, a design study, or a visionary prototype, it occupies a space between reality and imagination, challenging the viewer to rethink the relationship between transportation and lifestyle. It encapsulates an ambition to redefine mobility for a future where journeys become experiences, vehicles become environments, and travel becomes an extension of personal luxury. This extraordinary machine, with its towering presence and visionary design language, stands as an icon of futuristic luxury, offering not just movement but a statement, a bold declaration that the future of road travel could be as grand, immersive, and architecturally magnificent as the most exclusive spaces humans inhabit on land, sea, or air. Please like and subscribe for more videos.